Hey the developers, this is Scott, developer advocate at Depot. I want to tell you a little bit about Depot skills. Skills are a way of teaching agents a little bit more about particular projects. So in our case, we wanted to let our agents know about container builds or the Depot GitHub Actions runners, or even Depot CI, which is coming here in the near future. But rather than tell you about them, how about I show you? You can install Depot skills by using the skills.sh package. In this case here, we can use the npx skills add, and then you say depot/skills. That kicks off an installation process that allows you to pick which skills you want to install. So in our case here, we can install different skills depending on the various Depot packages that we have. And so in our situation here, I'll say Depot CI, Depot container builds, Depot general, and then GitHub runners. It will also take you through additional steps of which agents you want to install it to, if you want to install it globally. I've already installed it globally, so we don't have to step through each of those different steps in our installation process. But I'd want to show you what it looks like so you can say, okay, this is what it looks like to get me going. But we'll step out here to my project that I have running in Cursor. I've been using Cursor to help me out build this application, and now I want to take it and migrate my GitHub action to using Depot GitHub Actions runners. So we're going to say here, migrate my GitHub Actions workflow to use Depot's GitHub Actions runners on Ubuntu. Let's see. Yeah, Ubuntu latest. That'd be good. And I think that's what we'll do here. We don't even have to tell it that we're using the Depot skills. We just tell it that, hey, this is what we're doing. I'll kick that off. And as we know, our agents like to think, but they also let us know what they're doing. And this might be a second, so we're going to jump to the end. Very nice. So our cursor agent let us know that it changed this file as well as my demo heavy build. I can see here now that I'm going to be using the Depot latest Ubuntu runners. And I can even go over to my other file just to verify that I'm also going to be using the latest there. And Depot skills work with more than just Cursor. It can work with a variety of AI agents, Codex, Claude Code. We use them all at Depot, so definitely want to make sure they work with those agents as well. And you can install it so it works with all of them at the same time. That's just one example of what you can do with Depot skills. You can install it today with the command that I used before with npx skills add depot/skills. And let us know what you think. You can find us on the socials at Depot Dev or at our Discord community, which you can find on depot.dev.